In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack newsletter in minutes. Running a newsletter inside Slack is a simple and effective way to keep your team, community, or clients updated without relying on crowded inboxes. Since people are already active in Slack throughout the day, your updates are more likely to be seen, read, and acted on. The goal here is to create a clean, dedicated space for your newsletter. Format it so it looks polished, and then share it in a way that stays easy to find later. To begin, open Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser and go to your workspace. In the left sidebar, find the channel section. Hover over it and click the plus icon, then choose Create a Channel. Give the channel a simple, clear lowercase name that reflects the purpose of the newsletter, and add a short description so people know exactly what the channel is for. After that, choose whether the channel should be public or private, depending on who needs access, and then create it. Once the channel is ready, open it and move to the upper right area of the screen. Click the canvas icon to open a blank canvas for that channel. This is where you'll build your newsletter. Start with a strong, easy to scan structure. Use a single hashtag for the main title and double hashtags for section headings. If there are important phrases, updates, or numbers you want to stand out, format them in bold using double asterisks. You can also type 3 dashes on a new line to create divider lines that visually separate sections and make the newsletter easier to read. Next, make the newsletter more interactive. Click into the canvas, type a / and insert a list or checklist if you want to show goals, tasks, or progress updates. If you want to include outside media, just paste in a web link and Slack will usually expand it into a visual preview card automatically. You can also tag relevant teammates by typing the @ symbol followed by their profile name, which helps connect each section to the right person. If you want to bring in content from another platform, you can do that through Slack integrations. Click the channel name at the top, open the integrations tab, and choose Add an app or the option to send emails to the channel. Slack may generate a unique forwarding email address for that channel. For security, treat that address like confidential information and only use it in the external platform where you want updates routed from. When your newsletter is ready, click Share at the top of the canvas. Select the newsletter channel, write a short teaser message to introduce the issue, and send it. Slack will post a preview directly into the channel feed, making it easy for everyone to spot. Since the canvas remains attached to the channel, it also gives you a built-in archive for future issues. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.